Imagine if you could see what someone else is seeing just by looking at their brain activity. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, not anymore. A team of Japanese scientists have developed an AI model that can decode brain activity and generate images that resembles what the subject saw. This is a remarkable achievement, but also raises ethical questions about the potential misuse of such technology. In this video, we will explain how this AI model works, what are the implications of this breakthrough, and why some experts are concerned about the risk posed by the AI generally. The AI model is called Stable Diffusion (SD), and it was developed by a team of researchers led by Yu Takagai and an assistant professor at Osaka University. Takagai and his team used SD to analyze the brain scans of subjects who were shown up to 10,000 images while inside an MRI machine. The AI model was able to generate high-fidelity images that strangely look like the originals, even though it was not shown the pictures in the advance of trained in any way to produce the result. Takagai said he was shocked when he saw the first AI-generated images. He said he went into the bathroom and looked at himself in the mirror and thought, okay, that's normal. Maybe I am not going crazy. But how does SD can do this? SD is a deep learning AI model that uses a technique called diffusion modeling to reconstruct images from brain activity. Diffusion modeling is a way of stimulating how molecules move randomly in a fluid or gas. SD applies this technique to pixels in an image, making them move randomly until they form a coherent picture. SD does this by using two neural networks, one that decodes brain activity into latent space and another that decodes latent space into images. The latent space in a compressed representation of information content in the brain activity. The decoding network uses diffusion modeling to generate images from the latent spaces. Takagai said SD is able to generate images that resembles that the subject saw because it learns from the statistical pattern of natural images. He said that natural images have certain regularities and structures that SD can capture and reproduce. But Takagai also stressed that SD does not represent mind reading at this point. He said that SD can only produce images that a person has viewed, not their imaginations or dream. He said that there are many misunderstandings with his research and that he does not claim that SD can read minds. However, this does not mean that SD is harmless or beginning. This breakthrough has nonetheless raised concern about how such technology could be used or abused in the future. For example, could SD be used to invade people's privacy, manipulate their memories or influence their decisions? Could SD used for criminal or malicious purposes such as blackmailing or extorting people? Could SD used to create fake or misleading evidence or propaganda? These are the some ethical questions that arise from his development, and they are part of a broader debate about the risk posed by the AI in general. Some experts have warned that AI could pose a threat to human autonomy and dignity if it can access and manipulate our thoughts. Some have also called for a pause on the development of AI until we have more regulations and safeguards in place. On the other hand, some experts have argued that AI is just a tool that can be used for good or bad, depending on the imaginations of the humans who create and use it. Some have also pointed out potential benefit of AI for science, medicine, education, and society. What do you think? Do you think AI can ever be ethical or moral? Do you think AI is a fascinating but scary technology that we should be careful with? Or do you think AI is a wonderful technology that can improve our lives and society? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative videos on AI and other topics.